And this is what your Windows 11 Explorer look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 Explorer using Windhawk and custom theme. So let's dive in. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 Explorer using custom theme and Windhawk. First you have to create a restore point. Click on search and type here create. Click on create a restore point and select your C drive, then click on create, give it a name and click on create. If anything goes wrong while customizing, you can restore your system using this restore point. And now unzip this SecureX theme file and cut this folder and then go to C drive and paste it here, and then open this folder and then right click on this theme tool, then click on run it as administrator, then click on yes and select these two boxes and click on install. So it will record reboot. After reboot your system is ready for using any custom theme. Now we are going to apply the theme. Unzip this theme file and copy this theme file, this PC, C drive, Windows, resources and then theme directory, then paste it here. And now go to your C drive again and open SecureX theme tool again. Open your SecureX theme folder and run this tool. Click on run it as administrator, and in here you have to select the theme and then click on apply. Okay, theme has been applied. Now download and install this tool called Windhawk. It's easy to install, just download and install it. After installation you'll see interface like this, then click on browse for mods, and now we have to install some mods. Click on Windows 11 Explorer Styler and install it. Click on settings and in here you have to select minimal Explorer 11, then click on save. And now we have to install another mods called hide home gallery and OneDrive in Explorer. Click on details and install it. Now we have to install the icon pack. To install the icon pack, search resources redirect, click on details and install it, and then click on this settings, and in here you have to select this theme, select this rose pine and then click on save and then click on yes. And this is it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 Explorer using custom theme and Windhawk. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.